Hello class and welcome to ACLT 053 Online. I'm so glad that you've chosen to take this class. I think we'll have a great semester. For this week, I would like to just navigate through with you the course of ACLT 053. You will see that there's a navigational bar on the left side of the course. And these tabs represent additional information related to the course. So I'm on the announcements page right now, and you will notice that I will post some announcements weekly or more than weekly related to the course. This week I posted some information about on-campus computer labs for online learning. If you do not have a computer at home, you may go on campus to use their computers. And there's some information about that. The announcements page also has my name and some information about the course. You will be, of course, taking ACLT 053 in conjunction with English 101 together. They're two separate courses, and the requirements for both courses, so please do not take one and not the other. You must take the ACLT 053 online along with the English 101 online. You must log on to both courses, I would say, at least 3 to 4 times a week, and think that you might devote about 90 minutes each time you log on for each course. So please keep that in mind. They're two separate courses. The idea is for the information in ACLT will help you to be successful in English 101 online. You would want to start off with the Getting Started page. Many of you have already done that. You will see my welcome page. You will see information about the course documents. In there, you'll find the syllabus for ACLT 053 online. Also, you will see the orientation assignment, which will be linked to the discussion board. There's information about student conduct, how to send emails, how to be polite and to each other and to me as well. Also, we're going to go into the calendar. The calendar, I have this weekly calendar, and there's actually the tab here on the left side of the pane that gives you information about what's coming up due in the course of ACLT 053. If you have already signed into English 101 and you look at the calendar, you will see that you will see information for both ACLT 053 and English 101 on your calendar. So that helps you to navigate through the course. I will tell you, I'm skipping ahead, but I will tell you that the readings generally are due during the week for ACLT 053 if you have readings that are specific to ACLT 053. And near the end of the week, I would say about Friday and Saturday, that's when the assignments are due to be posted on the discussion board. So just keep that in mind. And I've done it that way so that you can spend a lot of time during the week on English 101. And then near the end of the week, you can do your activities for ACLT 053. Let me know how that works for you. And of course, if you have a schedule where you can do some work ahead of time, that's fine as well. Okay, so I'm going to look at the first learning module. The first learning module is the technology learning module. And there is information about that. Please note that you'll have some different readings from English 101. Some of the essential questions that I'd like you to answer for this learning module are as follows. Does the structure of the internet itself amplify any issues such as sexism or bullying? How have issues of online sexism compared to the sexism women have dealt with for centuries? And 3, how does online bullying compare to face-to-face bullying experiences? There's some learning resources for this module, and I will also say it's very important that you download the tech assignment and schedule for fall, because you will know what's coming up due if you download that. And I've downloaded it, I should say, and it's a Word document, so you're welcome to print it out and look at it. It tells you what's coming up due for each week. So for this week, we call it Tech Part 1. You have some readings. The Era of Faith and Blind Data Must End by O'Neill. That's the first reading. The other one is How to Read an Academic Text. It's a soft chalk lesson created by my colleagues and me. And at the end of the week, you will see the due dates for the technology assignment. So just letting you know that that's the way to do that. Very quickly, I would like to just point your attention to the fact that your learning resources will be in the tech folder. The readings, the links to the readings will be there. And also you have the assignments there as well. Let me go to the assignment page just so that you take a look at that. Within that tab, you'll see some information about a critical reading assignment that you will do. That's due at the end of the week. So you look at the calendars to see when that's due. It's also posted on the discussion board as well. So I'm on the discussion board right now, and there is the tech reading. Before you do that, though, for this week, I think I wanted you to do the online learning success where you're introducing yourselves to the class and other peers are also responding to you. I see that I have about 10 people who have already responded. So if you haven't responded, please make sure to do so. So for this class, you will post on the discussion board and you will also respond to at least 2 other posts. And the posts gives you the criteria for what to say. Build on something that your classmates have said, explain why or how you've seen things differently, ask a probing question, clarify any questions that you may have, or offer support to an opinion. So that's pretty much it in terms of navigating through the course. If you have any questions, please see me during my office hours. Thank you.